I'm sure you've heard the news. Your heart makes some pretty cool sounds. But what do they mean? Let's break it down. When your heart goes lub, that's the sound of the mitral and tricuspid valves closing as blood flows from the atria to the ventricles. This marks the beginning of systole, the heart's pumping phase. Next, the dub sound happens when the aortic and pulmonary valves close, signaling the end of systole. Blood gets pushed out to your body and lungs. Think of it as your heart's way of keeping the beat. Each sound corresponds to a specific chamber and valve action, ensuring your blood flows smoothly. So next time you feel your heartbeat, remember, it's more than just a beat, it's a symphony of life. Stay curious and keep learning. Subscribe for more quick health insights.